Hi, welcome to Centennial College. My name is Michelle Belchez, and I'm a marketing professor and program coordinator for the Marketing Management Graduate Certificate Program. The Marketing Management Program is one of the many exciting programs offered through Centennial's Business School. It is just 2 semesters in length, and upon completion, you will have earned an Ontario College Graduate Certificate. Our classes are located at Centennial's Progress Campus in Scarborough, Ontario. The courses within the Marketing Management Program are highly engaging and interactive, and are delivered by instructors with a multitude of marketing and business backgrounds from a variety of industries with years of work experience. Our mission is to prepare you for a career in marketing, whether it is for a nonprofit, or within a marketing or advertising agency, or in areas such as retail or financial services, just to name a few. Upon completion of the program, our students will be well positioned for such roles as marketing specialist, marketing manager, and advertising executive. The program consists of core marketing courses such as digital marketing, marketing research, and brand management, and cover both domestic and international perspectives. Students are also involved in courses that teach key business competencies and assist in preparing our graduates for the workforce with courses such as business culture and craft, management and leadership, and employment preparedness. As mentioned earlier, the Marketing Management Program is interactive and hands-on, and will enable you to build specific marketing skills and knowledge, such as developing marketing plans, creating digital marketing campaigns, conducting marketing research, applying entrepreneurial skills, and lots more. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at business@centennialcollege.ca or look on our website under full-time courses, where you will find marketing management listed with lots of additional details and resources. We look forward to welcoming you into our program in the future.